Hey everyone, welcome back to Living the Life. Today, we're diving into the world of healthy living and sharing some invaluable tips and tricks to help you live your best life. Whether you're just starting your journey to a healthier lifestyle or looking for some fresh inspiration, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First up, breakfast. They say it's the most important meal of the day, and I couldn't agree more. I'm going to show you how to whip up a nutritious and delicious breakfast bowl in just minutes. Start with a base of Greek yogurt for protein, then add your favorite fruits for sweetness and fiber. I love to sprinkle on some granola for crunch and a drizzle of honey for that extra touch of sweetness. Absolutely delicious. And the best part? It's packed with nutrients to fuel your day. Of course, a healthy lifestyle isn't just about what you eat, it's also about staying active. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's going for a jog, hitting the gym, or practicing yoga. The key is to keep moving and make exercise a regular part of your routine. Another essential aspect of healthy living is making smart choices at the grocery store. Focus on filling your cart with fresh, whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. And don't forget to read those labels. Opt for foods with minimal ingredients and avoid added sugars and unhealthy fats. Finally, let's talk about dinner. It's easy to fall into the trap of ordering takeout or reaching for convenience foods, but cooking at home can be both simple and satisfying. Tonight, I'm making a delicious stir-fry loaded with colorful veggies and lean protein. With just a few simple ingredients and some basic cooking skills, you can create a wholesome meal that's bursting with flavor. And there you have it, some practical tips and tricks for living a healthier, happier life. Remember, it's all about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. If you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content on healthy living, travel adventures, DIY projects, and so much more. Hit that subscribe button and join our community as we embark on this journey together. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep living the life. Bye for now.